Choose a flange by matching its material and sealing method to the pipe material and the service conditions. For acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, and polyvinyl chloride thermoplastic pipes, use plastic flanges made of compatible polymers that fuse or solvent weld to the pipe to maintain similar thermal expansion and chemical resistance. For cast iron pipes, select brass or cast iron compatible flanges that match the mechanical strength and mating surface profile to avoid stress concentrations and galvanic corrosion. Measure the pipe outside diameter, wall thickness, and hub geometry. Then inspect the flange bore and face style to ensure a snug fit and proper gasket compression. If the flange will be bolted to a different metal, choose a gasket material and bolts that reduce corrosion risk, such as non-ferrous washers or protective coatings. For transitions between dissimilar materials, consider a transition coupling with a flanged adapter sized to the pipe dimensions and rated for the operating temperature and pressure. Use twist and seal or compression style flanges when access is restricted or the pipe cannot be heated or solvent welded. These offer mechanical clamping and a rubber or elastomer seal, but verify the sealant compatibility with the conveyed fluid. Always check the system pressure and temperature ratings and match the flange pressure class to a safety margin higher than expected operating conditions. Common mistakes include choosing a flange only by nominal pipe size, which can lead to a mismatched bore and poor gasket seating. Measure actual outside diameter and wall thickness, and verify flange bore dimensions to fix that. Another issue is ignoring thermal expansion differences between plastic and metal, which causes leaks or joint strain. Use flexible couplings or select flanges and gaskets that accommodate movement to resolve it. Finally, many installers use incompatible gasket materials or bolts and see galvanic corrosion or gasket failure. Pick gasket composites rated for the fluid and temperature, and use corrosion-resistant fasteners or isolation washers as a practical remedy. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting project needs to service providers and showing contractor profiles and past project examples. We also help contractors find work and grow their business, and we host an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and ask questions.